Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry, it's again, let it slip from Sunday. It's Tuesday, so I'm going to do a quick video update. And also let you know why I've let it slip a couple of times. First of all, I want to put some good thoughts and prayers out to Dale Van Blokland. He's had an accident in his house, and he's actually in the hospital. I think he's doing okay, but we want to see him get a speedy recovery. He's a legend in Lamborghini replica builds. I will put a link to his current build, which is an Aventador like ours, so you can kind of check out what he does. And then there's subsequent things you can go to and check out some of the builds he's done previously. So anyway, Dale, get better fast. We need you, buddy. So we're all rooting for you. One of the other things is that I've been late on these because I've been working on a real estate deal. Housing market here in Colorado is nuts. People are buying houses over asking price. You're having to compete for them. It's really crazy. Anyway, it turns out that raw land is actually in the dirt. So I went ahead and invested in some raw land. So here's a couple of pictures of what we've purchased. So that's why I've been a little absent on this project. I do have a couple of updates to show you, so stick around. So some people have wanted a shot of the vehicle. One of the reasons I'm not really doing that a whole lot is because I'm trying to keep the dust down. It gets pretty dusty, and I'm tired of blowing it and cleaning it off just to have it get dust covered again. So anyway, let's show you what we've been working on. And you remember our little door project. So the door is, I wouldn't say finished, but it's in. We can take a look at some of the gaps that we've done. Again, they're not entirely perfect, but when we go ahead and get the whole car painted and get the panels very close to where we want them, we will go ahead and sand the car down again and repaint it. So that way we'll get rid of some of the waves. Now, I haven't decided whether that's going to be professional to do that or if I'm going to do that myself. So anyway, I think it turned out well. We're now going to move on to the front fender on the driver's side here, and then we'll go to the windshield surround after that. So we're just slowly moving forward. You guys have seen before that we had to move most of the stuff up front and shore up some of the structure because we put in the dash, which is here. So still undercover there. I'm gonna probably take that out soon because I don't want anything to happen to this beautiful leather. And then we still have to move the gear shift and start carbon fibering the center console. Now, I think what we're going to do is we're actually going to wrap the center console in foam and leather. Thank you for your guys' comments. I think they're very valid that you want something nice and comfortable to lay your arm on. So that's what we're going to do with that, but the carbon fiber is going to give it some structure. So anyway, I think we're starting to look pretty good. Now we can look down the side of the car and you can see that it looks a lot like a car. So the project is moving forward. I've got some other little details to take care of, and then I'm gonna move on to the fender, and our next update should be us sanding that down and getting it ready for paint. And then we're gonna paint it. We're gonna move forward. We're gonna do the front fascia, and then we're gonna start on the other side with the door. So I hope by the summer we can have it back on the road, or at least I can kick it out of the garage and clean it up and show you guys kind of where we're going with it, and show it in its glory in white. So you've seen it in its glory in black, which is here. And then we want to see it, how she looks in white with all of the contrast. I think it's going to look pretty sweet. So here we have the door open. These doors are no joke. To get them nice and solid and not floppy, and also to close really well, is been quite an adventure learning about this. So take your time with these doors, especially if you're doing an Aventador where they don't just swing up, they swing up and out. So you've got to do some pretty fancy stuff with the hinge that we had to come up with, because I'm not dropping $1,000 on a Aventador hinge when I can actually water jet one out of steel, as you can see here. So, but yeah, it's turned out really nice. So again, our thoughts and prayers and hopes for Dale go out to his family. So we keep getting updates through the Lamborghini Replicas website. So stay tuned on how he's doing. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Remember, I'm going to put some of Dale's stuff in the description, some links, so you can check out what he's doing. He's a master craftsman as far as I'm concerned. So learning a lot from him. So hope he has a speedy recovery so that we can continue to learn from all of the things that he's done. Again, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.